Almost took a nosedive. Okay, y'all, it's another day in the shop. We just got back from the tire shop and they would not mount these tires for us. And I kind of get it. I understand why. They take on a tremendous amount of liability. They don't want their guys getting hurt. But they said that this was too thin and they would not mount it. So I get it. I think I can do it safely with a locking air chuck, and so that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to try and mount them myself with a couple of tools that I bought from Harbor Freight, and we're going to let you see how difficult this is. To me, it's worth $15 a piece just to not have to mess with it, because it takes me about a half an hour. It might take a little less, but I just got through doing one of them in like 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to let you see what it looks like. Let's see here. Just a little bit of grease. Just a super thin layer. Almost took a nosedive. Like I said, to me it's worth it to have somebody with the right tools do it. But they wouldn't do it this time. So we're trying to get it done, because all we need these for is to move some junk around the yard with. So it's not even going to be, it's not going to be on the highway. There we go. Locking air chuck. Now, it's missing the Jacobs valve, but I'm going to put another one in there. And I've got a tire mounted that I can roll junk around at the house with. So, and it didn't cost me, well, I think I bought the tools for like $4 or $5, Harbor Freight, and a little bit of grease and a little bit of effort. So, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps somebody. If you like the video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.